Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be discussing the crypto market and talking a little bit about this most recent 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10% decrease in the last 24 hours. So you've seen a lot of different coins, whether it's Bitcoin going down to 32.5K, Ethereum down below 2.5K, or really 2.4K. We're seeing a lot of coins struggle. So Cardano being a big one here at a 10.5% decrease down to 66 cents. We've seen so many problems across the board when it comes to some of these small, low market cap coins. Polkadot as well, seeing about a 12% decrease. A lot of these coins are going to continue to see decreases. Chainlink down to a $9.20 price point. So I want to kind of discuss what is so important about today. So we've seen decreasing in the market for quite some time. However, what, like I said, is so important about today? Well, here's one thing I want to say first off is the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is at 11. Extreme fear. The current price was at $34,000 when that took place, so we're down another $500. I'm sure the fear has continued to go up since then. I want to take a look, though, at the crypto market crash really kind of post here on Reddit, because this is very, very important. We were seeing so much retail and institutional investors earlier on in the year during the bull market. However, we are obviously in a bear market right now. It's very, very apparent across the board that we are in a bear market. So let's read this real quick. Crypto market crash is probably the best opportunity that can happen in your lifetime if you are not a 70-plus-year-old boomer. All the people are depressed because market is down. I understand them, but for me, a crypto market crash is probably the best thing that can happen in my lifetime. Please stop being depressed. Wake up. This is an opportunity, a great opportunity. If you believe in crypto, basically take advantage of this because we're in a bear market and you can make a ton of money like everyone else did in the previous. So that's basically the kind of the moral of the story, moral of the post here on Reddit. But the cool thing that we are seeing that is really not so cool is it's the perfect condition, but the problem is most of us have used our money when it was high. So that's the problem with a lot of people. Everyone that actually was kind of, that involved with crypto, or they really believe in the long-term future of crypto, they wanted in right away. They believed that the rocket ship was taking off, and they had that fear of missing out, or the FOMO. So that's one thing I kind of want to take away from this video is remember that FOMO is not worth holding on to. Fear of missing out is not something you should be ever taking into consideration when investing into crypto, because you're always going to miss out on some opportunity. What you need to do is to continue to make sure you don't miss out on the bulk of it. So dollar cost average during these dips, dollar cost average when the market is low. And right now, obviously the market's low. Now's a great time to dollar cost average. We're seeing Bitcoin hitting very, very close to what could be the bottom. And we see many, many other altcoins following and dropping, 10 to 15%, which would be a great opportunity. Polkadot at the current price point is a huge opportunity. 1182, Cardano at 66 cents, another great opportunity. A lot of these coins seeing great opportunities. So if you don't have funds, don't just go out and take out a loan and do crazy things with it. But I am saying if you do have extra funds, if you do have some money to spare, dollar cost averaging in the next couple of weeks could definitely be life-changing or game-changing for your future. So definitely keep an eye out. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, but it's looking very, very bullish across the board when it comes to the long-term future or longevity of crypto. It's just this short-term bumpy road that we are going to have to get past to get to another bull market. I do want to jump back over to the Bitcoin falls to 22-month low as stocks markets tumble as well. So this is not just in the crypto space. We're seeing the stock market really struggle here as well. This is something we've seen in the past. When the stock market kind of struggles, we usually see crypto struggle. The one thing you have noticed in the past, though, is when the stock market goes down about 20%, crypto markets really kind of goes down about 40 to 60%. So we're seeing about a 2 to 3x, whether it's going up or down. So if the market tomorrow goes up 5x, well, we might see the crypto market go up 10x. It's that crazy volatility when it comes to the crypto market. You have to remember there's not as much money quite yet in the crypto space as there is in the stock markets, and there's not as much really people getting involved with the crypto markets quite yet. So it's exciting to see that we are still early, and the Bitcoin falling to that 22-month low as stock markets tumble may not be a terrible, terrible thing. As we jump back over, though, I want to talk a little bit about BlockFi before we talk a little bit more about the actual market itself. So buy, sell, and earn crypto. The BlockFi Rewards credit card lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every purchase. So I will have a BlockFi link down in the description below. It'll help you get your portfolio started into crypto. If you already started, well, it'll help boost your crypto portfolio to the next level, hopefully. So definitely take advantage of this. Over 15 million in crypto paid in rewards to date. and there's no annual fees, low cost trading for leading cryptos, and exclusive benefits for high net worth clients. So definitely take advantage of this. Like I said, links down in the description below for BlockFi. It'll give you a little boost when you sign up, and it'll give me a little kickback as well. So I appreciate that. I want to jump back, though, over to crypto.com, or not crypto.com, but Coinbase, and take a look at some of these prices and kind of call out some other coins that I think are at a great buy-in spot. So there's a lot of great coins, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are obviously high market cap picks that are going to recover at some point. Ethereum is definitely one that I've talked about more recently that I like, obviously, a little bit more than Bitcoin for the long-term future. I think there's a lot of great coins, though. Solana, another one that really makes a lot of sense. We have a great network going on with Cardano, a lot of believers. The community was just so massive back at that $3.10 price point. Right now, it's 66 cents. It's looking a little bit rough. It's definitely one of those coins that could be leading to a little bit more pain before we lead to a very big blowout of maybe $2, $3. So just keep that in mind. Cardano below 50 cents is definitely something to watch out for. I think we have Polkadot. If this drops below $1, or sorry, not $1, $11, we could be seeing a huge pickup opportunity. I think already, though, it's at a nice spot, 12% decrease in the last 24 hours. If we continue farther down, though, we have Chainlink, one of the best coins in the space, one of my favorite coins in the space at the very least. And I actually kind of tweeted this out recently. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, Cypto Profit YT on Twitter, make sure to follow me there. It's going to be linked down in the description below. But I actually just said this back April 21st, obviously. Link is still the best option on the market. And I still believe that today. I still think at this price point, Link's going to be the best long-term option on the market. Obviously, there'll be coins that do, 500,000x. And do I think that's going to be the case with Chainlink? Not really. I don't think it's going to be a 500,000x that you may see in some crazy other coins. But Chainlink could definitely be that, a potential 10 to 20x for the next bull market with a $9.20 price point. I truly believe that. So Chainlink's looking really solid at 9% decrease. We have Cosmos down 8.53%, down to 14.59. Definitely a coin to watch out for. Could have a huge turnaround. A lot of other great coins as well. Vechain, we've talked about the kind of significance it has in its really niche space right now. So I think this Vechain coin itself could easily find its way to $1 at some point, just not quite obviously yet. We have a lot of other great coins as well. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Sandbox and Decentraland, great competitors in the metaverse space. I think both of those could potentially do very well in the near future. Theta Network, another one that's down so hard, down to $1.42, which is absolutely crazy. Or actually, it's $1.90. I don't know. I saw the $1.42, but just absolutely crazy across the board. A lot of these coins are going to have great run-ups when we do get past this kind of bear market. So just keep an eye out for the coin that makes the most sense to you. Make sure to dollar cost average in very safely. As remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. But I just want to kind of mention some of these coins that make huge potential for the near bull market that is coming. So thank you guys again for tuning in. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.